It's your boy, babyface pretty Flacco Shakes, and my main man, Ollie, here to bring you episode 3, season 2, Cooking with Shakes, burning out the house.
We out here.
Season 1 was good, but season 2 we're bringing you more spices, more flavor. What else?
What else?
Yep, more flair, more charm, more tips, tricks, and instructions to save cooking as we know it. Now, this episode we're going real deep into the world of cooking. We're bringing you one of the most exotic ingredients ever. Hit him with it.
Its name is Leslie.
Okay, its name is Leslie. Yep, that's right. We're cooking lobster because we got a big budget right now. Shout out to AR132 on the stream. Now, but how are we going to cook this today?
How are we going to cook it, right? You like mac and cheese?
Alright, so y'all like mac and cheese? Let me tell you, we're going to cook some lobster and some mac and cheese. Isn't that right, Ollie?
So my
Hey, whoa, bro, chill, dog. It's not that deep. Calm down.
Alright, fellas, so listen. I understand there's some issues.
Look, I'm sorry. I mean, I bet he's a nice guy, but like, I miss my brother. I miss
I
all
feel
of
you, bro. Yo, listen, bro, I miss him too. But at the end of the day, bro, this is all about the YouTube money. This is all about what the fans want, bro. We gotta keep it cooking, bro. I can't have you causing problems with your new co-host, right? We talked about this last time. We're gonna talk about it again, bro. On Dead Dogs, y'all out there to cook.
Dead, don't say that.
On Dead Ollies.
Okay.
On Dead Ollies, we gotta be out there cooking, bro.
Cooking?
We don't got time for this little petty beefs, man. Y'all gotta be a cohesive unit. And I know you feeling it, bro, because you coming into the show, right? So this is why I'm telling you, bro, it's time to wake up, bro.
Wake up.
Ollie's not with us no more, dog. This is about Hakeem.
Alright, that.
Alright?
Alright, look me in the eyes, bro. I'm not gonna do it for you. I'm not gonna do it for the fans. I'm not gonna do it for the art of cooking. I'm gonna do it for the money. Welcome on.
All together again.
Get it.
Alright. So what we're making today, right, Shakes?
Yep.
Is not just any type of macaroni.
Yep.
We're gonna put our friend Leslie over here.
Oh, snap.
Boil him up, chop him up, put him in the mac and cheese, and make a lobster mac and cheese.
Lobster mac and cheese. What's that called?
Lobster mac and cheese.
Lobster mac and
Lobster
cheese.
mac and
Trademark.
cheese.
Cooking with Shakes, season 2. Let's get it.
Alright.
Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this.
Next step. What's our next step?
Next step, right? We take these little mac and cheese shells, which I clearly know the name of, but you know, I won't tell you. We'll take these.
Yep. Okay. What are we gonna do with them? Okay, yeah, boiling them, okay. All of them? We're gonna recycle that later. Save
We're
the
recycling, of course.
A quarter of a cup is exactly 25% of 1 cup. So we're gonna look right here. This is 1/2. This is 2 cups. So a quarter. We got 2 different options. Which one do you want, bro?
Cause I am what I am, extra virgin, bro.
Or olive oil. Okay. What do we do with this one? Just pour it in?
Yes, please.
Or we're gonna finesse.
Perfect.
It's like Wu-Tang Clan. This is salt. This is pepper. So again, we're just gonna quickly reflect on the steps we've made so far. What we have done?
Lobster.
Lobster. Leslie, rest in peace.
R.I.P.
Put some mac and cheese in.
Fine.
Now at this point, while you're cooking, it's really important that you actually taste what you're cooking. Me and Hakeem are a little too bougie for that. So you, our loyal audience, is actually going to help us with this. Every single time you like and share, you have the chance to actually get a cameo on Cooking with Shakes. So we have one of the most avid subscribers coming into the show. They came just to this to help us taste the macaroni. Come on in. Come join us.
Sweet hoodie.
Sweet hoodie,
Thank
bro.
you. I love this hoodie.
Alright, what's your name?
I'm Matt.
Matt, okay. Matt, thank you so much for supporting Cooking with Shakes. We support you, bro. Come try our food so far.
I got you.
Yep.
Got you.
He washed his hands though, don't worry.
Yep, wash his hands.
That's all we always do. Wash my hands. Stop done.
Okay, not done. Thanks, Matt. We'll call you back later. So again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share it, tell your grandmother. Cooking with Shakes.
Tell your dad.
Tell-
We don't have those though.
bro.
If you have one, bro.
If you have it, Dad. Alright, this step's so important, you don't want to burn your co-host's hand. Also, guys, this is the mac in mac and cheese. If you didn't know. I didn't, to be honest. Awesome, guys. Okay, so far, boom, we cut up the Leslie, we cut up the mac, we cut up the cheese.
Sucks.
Time to see our finished product. Watch out, bro. It's hot. Teamwork, baby.
You're hot. What?
And the racism. One mac and cheese at a time.
3.
Boom! Okay, looking pretty good.
That's really cute. Oh my god. Who made that? Us?
Now, y'all know what we do here at Cooking with Shakes. What we're about to do, we're about to plate this. And we gotta shout out y'all and our sponsors. We're gonna let them have the first taste. Awesome! Leslie's dead, but we gotta finish the meal. And it's actually looking really good. You know, we're
real
getting a
cute.
quick angle of this. Boom. I'm actually really proud of us. I know here on Cooking with Shakes, we talk a lot, we make a lot of mistakes, but honestly, real talk is all about failing forward. We don't know how to cook.
That's facts.
You may not know how to cook, but we're trying to learn how to cook together.
Also facts.
Turn abstract notions into concrete solutions. But none of this would be possible without our A1 sponsors who actually help us prepare and, you know, pay for these somewhat expensive meals. So with that being said, let's get our sponsor in a shot real quick. Oh.
Hi! Yo, listen, if you want crazy, insane gameplay, alright, make sure you check out my stream, alright? Aaron32 at twitch.com, alright? We got Shakes. We got Shakes. And we're streaming, alright? Crazy gameplay, alright? We only get dubs out here, real talk.
Only get dubs.
Facts.
Shout out to Aaron32 on the stream for sponsoring us. I'm about to try some meal, okay, bro?
Hey, man, let's get it.
Hey, man, wait, real quick, though. You look really familiar, bro. I've seen you before besides this, dude.
Nah, me.
You're really familiar.
Nah, actually, real quick, I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick. You can hold on to this.
I'm gonna talk to him about the steps of the meal, okay?
Whew, I'm really excited to try
All
this
about
out.
failing forward. We got some basil, got some lobster,
Oh,
we got
wow.
the mac, we got the cheese, and because...
Hey! Whoa!
But I actually can't believe it. It was the same dude.
That actually looked good, too, bro.
Oh,
Shake
man.
my f***ing head. Hey,
You guys get less sponsor money.
subscribe to Cooking with Shakes, though. Hey, let's get it.